Agile, the revolutionary approach that promised to transform the way we work, has been around for over 2 decades. Born from the Agile Manifesto in 2001, it brought us frameworks like Scrum and Kanban, promoting flexibility, collaboration, and rapid delivery. So why do so many people today believe that Agile's dead? Well, the truth is, Agile isn't dead. The problem lies in how it's being implemented. Companies are adapting Agile in name only, without truly embracing its core principles. They're checking off boxes, holding stand-up meetings, but missing the essence of what makes Agile truly powerful. And that's why, to set Agile back on track, we at Hyperdrive have key resources for you, which I'll talk about later in this video. At its heart, Agile is about delivering value to the customer through iterative development, continuous feedback, and a collaborative culture. When companies fail to internalize this mindset, that's when Agile just becomes another buzzword. Take Spotify for instance. They've mastered Agile by creating autonomous squads that own their projects end to end. Or look at PayPal, who we helped to completely transform its operations by embedding Agile into its organizational DNA. We revolutionized PayPal, teaching them that Agile is a journey, not a destination. And because of that, PayPal was able to go public at $45 billion. So how can you ensure that your Agile transformation doesn't fall flat? Here are 3 key takeaways. First, embrace the mindset. Agile is about being adaptable and responsive to change. Encourage a culture of continuous improvement and learning. Second, focus on collaboration. Break down silos and foster cross-functional teams that communicate openly and work towards shared goals. And finally, deliver value continuously. Prioritize customer needs and deliver small, incremental updates that provide immediate value. Now, as promised, if you're looking to finally utilize Agile principles and transform your business for good, Hyperdrive has you covered. Sign up for an Agile course taught by our leading trainers in the industry. Our immersive training will equip you with the skills and knowledge that you need. So don't miss out, link in the description. Or if you want to learn more about Agile methodologies and their history, check out this video right here.